Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If another religion person watching this video and listen us, you are welcome. Today our topic is what is religion? How to follow religion? We believe Allah sent messenger and holy book. We need to follow that holy book. Religion name was always Arabic name Islam, but followers name was different by different. Example: David Jewish, Jesus Christian, Muhammad Muslim. Only Allah understand which situation need which holy book. So we need to understand God or Allah always one. Allah send lot of messenger and holy book. Whenever have born, just we need to believe one Allah. Which messenger this time need to follow him, and which holy book this time need to follow that holy book. Example: who was David time? Those people need to follow David and this time holy book. Who was Jesus time? Those people need to follow Jesus and this time holy book. Who are born Muhammad time? Those people need to follow Muhammad and holy book, the Quran. But we need always remember, we need believe all of messenger and holy book, but we cannot follow all of them. Thanks for watching and listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.